So now let's see how you can join a team meeting when someone actually starts a meeting through the Teams right here. So what I'm going to do is from my other account, I'm just going to go around and start a meeting and let's see what actually happens. So when the other member actually starts calling out, then you start receiving a notification. How? Like this, as you can see. So it says meeting in tutor example right here, and you can see how long the meeting actually has been running for as well. And you can actually join the meeting as well anytime you want. So it's 32 seconds as you can see right here, and you see the join button over here, and here as you can see just like this. What if you were on, let's say, for example, another channel right here? So what happens in this case? So let's say someone else is actually calling you right here. That is, they are calling a meeting. Let's see what actually happens in that case right here. So someone, let's say, for example, starts running a meeting right here. You can see the little icon right here, which means that a meeting is currently happening. So if you were to go around over here, then you see this, and you can click join to start joining the meeting. We can go around and enable out different videos right here and then so forth, and click on join now. And then what happens is that you can join the meeting just like this, as you can see, and you can see other participants over here as well. So that is how you can join in meetings, that is instant meetings from within Microsoft Teams. I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.